What's up, everybody? Wanted to give you an update on the Saber Diagnostics unit. As you can see, I went ahead and created an aluminum enclosure, all done by hand. I wish I had benders and bandsaws and all that stuff, but this was done all hand tools. Scoring with an X-Acto and snapping and bending. To get this nice thing. Came out pretty good. I mean, it's obviously got things that tell that it was made by hand. Some lines that aren't straight and a little dent there. But otherwise, I'm really happy with it. It came out really nice. Everything fits nicely. It's a nice tight unit. It's got slip feet on it, so if I put it on a smooth surface, it's not going to go anywhere. And then off to the side there, you see that weird contraption. That literally just came off the bench. So it is a little messy. I'll need to refine it. But what it is the platform for the Saber. As you can see, the unit is off right now. Nothing on the screen, nothing going on. These knobs are non-functional, just for decoration. Maybe in a future version they'll do something. But if I want to run my diagnostics, I gotta incorporate the Saber in some way or another, right? So there we go. So you can see when the Saber is in place, the unit comes on and it runs through its little program there. Really cool. And then basically what this little stand is, platform, is it's an open switch. It's exposed as well. So not only an open circuit, but an exposed circuit. And it just employs two contacts there on the power line. One from the battery, the other one that goes to the Arduino. And then the hilt, the metal of the hilt closes that circuit when it's in place. So it turns the Arduino on, powers up the screen, and starts running through the program. So really cool little thing. Yeah, once I get this refined and kind of designed a little bit better, I think it'll be really cool. But yeah, just wanted to share this update with you and let you guys see what I've been up to.